Just one Shabbos and we'll all be free. Just one Shabbos, come and join with me. Let's sing. Welcome to Erev Shabbos Kodesh, Parshas Pekudei, and the Parsha Ponderable for this week. In the Parsha, we read again of the construction of many of the kelim that were prepared for use in the Mishkan. Among those kelim was the kiur, the large vessel that contained water from which the Kohanim would wash their hands and feet before the avoda. It's in line with that washing of the hands that we have the following Parsha Ponderable. Reuven and Shimon took their families away for Yom Tov, and on one of the days of Chol HaMoed decided that they would go on a short cruise in the ocean near where they were staying. Reuven and Shimon loaded up the family together with others on the boat, and they set sail for what would be a cruise for a few hours. When it came time for lunch, Reuven and Shimon realized that they had forgotten to bring with them a cup to do netilas yadayim, to wash their hands before eating the sandwiches that they had brought with them. Suddenly Reuven had an idea. They had brought with them a small watermelon to be eaten with lunch. What if they cut the watermelon in half, scooped out and ate the insides of the watermelon, and then used one half of the watermelon as a washing cup? Would that be sufficient to enable them to fulfill the mitzvah of netilas yadayim? The requirements for a cup for netilas yadayim is that it has to be made to hold liquids. It has to be whole. It has to be hollow so that there's a place for the liquids to stay. The cup has to be able to stand on its own, and it needs to hold at least a revius. Do those qualifications apply here in the case of the watermelon or not? Im Yirtzeh Hashem, the answer next week. Shabbat Shalom.